Welcome, in front of me is Realme 9 and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold power key and volume up. Select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. And once you see the Realme logo, after a couple seconds you can let go of those keys and wait for the screen before recovery mode show up, like this one. So here you simply want to tap on the language that you want to use. I'll be selecting English, and there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. So in here we have only three options, or well, technically one and then two other ones to leave this mode. Wipe data, which basically performs a factory reset of the phone, reboot and power off, which are, like I said, two methods of leaving this mode. So there we go. Now, when you select wipe data and format it, it gives you this randomly generated code that you need to simply confirm by typing it in, and then you can confirm the format of your data. And to leave this, I'm just gonna select reboot. Okay, and this will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.